good.
Yeah, I don't know why it wasn't launching it.
Oh, you got it off the line though.
Yeah. Oh, you know why? You know why it wouldn't launch?
What?
Here, hold on. Fuck. We'll go up and back. I'll tell you why it wouldn't launch. Because the lift, it was lifted, and it won't launch when it's lifted.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. We'll do it.
It's gotta be all the way down.
Yeah.
Dude, that's badass.
Yeah. You feel the G's?
Yeah, man. Damn, it puts you back. And I can't believe it's not even all-wheel drive. I can't believe it can put the power down like that, man.
It holds the ground.
Jeez.
And that wasn't even a full launch for some reason. And these TPM, I don't know if I got to reset them.
What tires on these?
The Sport, Michelin Sport.
Oh yeah, the Michelin Pilots.
Yeah, Pilot Sport 4S.